Hello, this is Tom Sillis, WetCrow.com, WETCROW. Topic of this video is Bathtub Glazing Jobs USA, start tomorrow. Now, obviously, I don't know how much business we're going to do with this. You're the expert. You're the bathtub glazing guys. If you guys have been busy in the past, or you work for a company that's been busy, I think this will be great for you. If you, we're being essentially. If you're in the, it's a specialty. It's a very vertical bathtub glazing. But there's a lot of people that don't want to spend a lot of money. Now, will our high-end customers use that service? I don't know yet. I don't know how well we're going to do. We're kind of new to it, as far as this service goes. So I can't promise you the moon, but we're going to give it a whirl and see how it goes. If it's not working for you, obviously you're going to have you're going to be advertising in the cheaper areas where you guys normally do. And we're going to have people come from all areas. I don't think it's going to be just, we're not saying you have to go to the rich areas. We don't say that. We teach you how to make money on your own as well. I'm going to have that in the description down below the video. If you're not making enough money on our site, you just you put door hangers out in 300 homes in your area. You'll get customers. You go to the areas where the customers are most likely to use your service. You kind of should know that by now. Are they middle class, blue collar workers? Yeah, that's fine. So you're going to go in those areas. We're going to focus in those areas too for you. We'll advertise there for that service. Okay, we know how to do that, and we'll pull in customers from your target area. So any kind of comments you have like that, put in the links down below. When you finish watching the video, please comment on there. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We're going to have more videos which will be sponsored by guys like you that are going to be giving us points, and we're going to make more videos to help train everybody on how to make more money. Because I'm not selfish. If you don't go through us, that's fine, because you may or may not make enough money through us. Most people are busy right now. Most of our guys are busy, but with this particular vertical, I'm not sure yet. So we're going to do our best to make sure you have enough business, because we can advertise in your area. So we'll do the best, because we have SEO. So people that use the service will find us. So I'm not worried about it. Again, please subscribe to the video, to our channel. Please like this video down below. Make comments below. Help us out. There's a site called costestimates.com. You can go there, look up what's being charged, and the average. It'll show you the ranges, and then you can, based on your area, you can make comments down below and tell us what you think we can get in each area, and you'll know that. And you could put down like the locale. It'll help us tremendously. If it's like Oak Ridge or whatever the towns are outside of Chicago, or whatever part of the country you're from, just plop it in there, and we'll kind of have a good idea of what we need to do there. I want to make sure that we do the best for you, and this is why we're doing that. And we're going to have, use that site, costestimates.com. We're going to put in the link below. You're going to love that site. It's a good gauge for what's going on in the country. It'll teach you a little bit what's going on, and it'll help us. It helped us out tremendously. And we used a little bit of ChatGPT to get some descriptions. Of course, if there's anything you want to put for description, you can put in the comments down below. It'll help us tremendously. And after our stuff is up and running within a couple of weeks from now, for those services, you can go look at it and make comments if we need to change something. If you think we missed something, make comments below in the video. We'll find it, and we'll go out there and we'll fix it. Okay, we want to make sure everything is, we don't want you to go out there and then the customer says, we expected this to be done. We want to make sure that the cleanup stuff we put in there is standard, but I'm talking about specific stuff that you guys do that maybe the customer is going to expect or you don't do. Put that in there so that we can do the right thing. If you're caulking, whatever it is you guys do, kind of mention that, so we know kind of what you do, so that we don't miss anything, and make sure we do the right thing for the customer. At the bottom, if you have to caulk the bottom, if you have to put molding, just any kind of thing that you can think of that's included in your service, put it in there so that we can do a better job. Again, thank you very much, and we'll chat with you again. Thank you.